What's up, guys? The coin I'm going to be talking about today sucks. I think it's terrible. I don't think it belongs in any portfolio, especially in 2024. I want to make this into a bigger series where I pick a popular altcoin that I think is terrible and basically explain it to you guys and say, hey, don't buy this. I know it's popular on social media, but it's actually crap. Full disclosure, none of this is financial advice. I'm just a random guy on the internet. Okay, let's get into it. Today's coin is XRP. I think this coin sucks. I think it's useless. I think it has so many problems in so many different areas. I don't have any in my portfolio, and I will definitely not be holding any for the 2025 bull run. Here's why. So the first problem with XRP is that it's useless. Let's read about it. Ripple is a privately held fintech company that provides a global payment solution via its patented payment network called Ripple Network, also known as RippleNet. Okay, a global payment solution. Does that remind you of anything? What is Bitcoin? What is Ethereum? What is Solana? What is literally every single other cryptocurrency? They say, however, unlike most cryptocurrencies out there that cater to peer-to-peer needs, Ripple was made to connect to banks, payment providers, and digital asset exchanges, enabling real-time settlement expeditions and lower transaction fees. Okay, so what does that mean? What does that actually look like? They say, if Alice wants to send 1,000 Japanese yen to her cousin Bob in India, Alice could send it to the participating financial institutions. The Japanese yen will be converted to XRP and will be validated by the servers in the network. Bob could withdraw the money in Indian rupee once validated. The remittance can be done within seconds. In summary, XRP is the stable crypto intermediary when swapping between currencies. Does that remind you of anything else in the crypto space? XRP was launched in 2012. This is a really old project, so maybe at the time there was use for it because Bitcoin was volatile back then. But now, take a look at this. We have the third most popular coin, Tether, USDT. This is a coin that's always equal to $1. Also, look at this, the sixth most popular coin, USDC, another coin that's always equal to $1. This is called a stable coin. This is a coin that is pegged to an exact value and can be sent over chain. But stable coins weren't invented until years after XRP was. So at the time, XRP kind of made sense. Okay, I can send a stable value across chain. But now, look, everyone uses stablecoins. Nobody uses XRP. The standard for wanting to send stable values over blockchains is stablecoins. The most popular is USDC. Basically, everyone uses USDC. Of course, there's others. There's stablecoins pegged to euros. There's stablecoins pegged to gold and others. So then, let me ask you, what is the point of XRP? Stablecoins are better versions of XRP. XRP is completely useless now. And the fact that it's useless is only one of its many problems. Another one of its problems is its size. XRP is a massive coin with a market cap of 31 billion and a fully diluted valuation of 56 billion. I know some of you may not understand what these terms mean, but just know that the valuation of XRP is already massive. There is not a lot of room to grow for XRP. This is the seventh biggest coin in the crypto space. There is not a lot of potential left for this coin. But not only is it already a massive project with very little upward potential, but its fully diluted valuation is way bigger than its market cap. In fact, in a ratio, it's 0.56. Guys, I consider any number under 0.7 a scam. I'm not saying XRP is a scam. I'm just saying I would never invest in a coin with an MC over FDV of less than 0.7 because of the immense selling pressure this coin has. This means that Ripple, the company behind this coin, has almost half of all the circulating supply locked in their own wallets. Anytime XRP does well, they can sell from their locked wallets, profiting a bunch and totally suppressing XRP's price. This is a big red flag when finding a coin to invest in. So now, not only is this coin useless, in my opinion, not only does it have very little upward potential because of its size, but even if it does somehow do good, the insider selling pressure is so great that this coin will always be stifled. But maybe none of that matters. Maybe despite its glaring flaws, a lot of people will love it, and it has a growing network. Well, right on their Blockchain Explorer, we can take a look at their analytics that they started tracking in 2022, by the way. The number of active accounts, let's see, 10,000, 8,000, 9,000. There's 8,000 or 9,000 active accounts using XRP. I mean, this is a a ghost town of a chain. This is just insane to me that it has so few people using it, yet the valuation of this company is $60 billion. I think it's only a matter of time before people catch on and realize that stablecoins have completely made XRP obsolete and that they should just dump their coins. This is XRP's price chart. I know you might not understand how to do charting, but don't worry, I'm going to break this down and make it really simple for you. You can see that there were 3 main peaks in XRP's price. Once here and once here. This first peak was at the end of 2017, start of 2018. This second peak was in 2021. This over here is the recent bull market. As you can see, you can barely tell it's a bull market when looking at XRP's chart. The price of XRP has hardly moved. We've had many coins doing 5x's, 10x's, and more, but XRP, nothing. This kind of price action is like the same as the previous bear market. You could hardly tell a difference. And even if you just zoom out and look at it, you can tell this coin is trending down big time. I mean, look at this. This is a very clear long-term downtrend. You never want to invest in a project that's heading down. When picking an altcoin, you want to have the opposite of this. You want to see a lower peak here and then a higher peak and then a higher peak, because then you can see that the trend is up. You can see that this coin is doing good. It's growing, it's gaining steam, and so on. But this is the opposite of what you want to see. This is a terrible sign. The fact that it peaked in 2017, 2018, and has not reached its all-time high since should be a red flag to you. Oh, but crypto nerd, it's because XRP's price is constantly being suppressed by all the legal troubles coming from the SEC. Here's my question to you. Why is XRP constantly getting sued by the SEC? It's because XRP is a private company. It's right in the description. Crypto is supposed to be decentralized. Its decentralization is what gives it a commodity status under the regulatory lens. How could you possibly argue this is not a security? Guys, look, in my opinion, XRP is useless, overvalued, has very little upward potential, terrible tokenomics, and has like no growth or activity on chain. I don't care if they win their next legal battle. It doesn't matter because everyone is moving to stable coins, which now do their job better than XRP does. I know XRP has a really big community. I know you are probably a big fan of XRP, but I want to just come out and I wanted to honestly tell you, look, I think this coin has big problems. I don't like this coin. I think that there's better options out there. So I just wanted to make you aware. Guys, I do one-on-one calls on my website at thecryptonerd.net. So if you want to schedule a discussion, we should totally do that. Also, we have an exclusive AI trading assistant in our Discord that I want to make you aware of because this is an amazing resource. Guys, look, you can do /info and then whatever coin you want and immediately get this whole description about what it is. You can research any coin this easily. Now you can know what you're actually buying when influencers are shilling you random stuff. You can also do /supply a coin to get a rating of its tokenomics. Look at this, XRP. Rating, poor, score 56 out of 100. XRP has poor tokenomics. This indicates XRP has to fight a lot of selling pressure, and this is typically considered a red flag. Guys, I'm Crypto Nerd. I love talking about this stuff and giving you honest information about it, so give me a sub. Trust me, I got all this good stuff coming for you that you need to know about. I made a video talking about altcoins that are actually good right here, and you should click it. Bye.